it's Easy Rider Greg. Welcome to the channel. Well, I know I said I wasn't going to do it, but I did. I'm just going to show you. I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to show you. It just came in this box. So I'll open it up. I can get my stuff to work one-handed. Okay. And got something in there. But this is it. I know I said I wouldn't, but after watching Road Reality's videos on how great this GoPro Hero 10 Black was, I had to get it, along with the media mod. That says it's for a 9. Oh, 10 compatible. Okay, there we go. So let's see what all is in here. I think this is the SD card, but I can't get it out with only one hand, so bear with me. Still can't get it. There. Yeah. That's it. It comes with a 32 gigabyte SD card. And this different box, as others have stated, than what they came in previously. And I got a one-handed thing. I mean, I got a tripod, but it's just too much trouble. I will probably be doing some editing here. This will not be a one-take, no edit video. So, yes, and I got the, I forget what it was called. They don't make it easy to get to. You gotta damage the packaging to open it up, it looks like. Yep. But it's the one with the case and a handle and a clip, magnetic clip. Yeah, okay, that's the GoPro case. Let's get rid of that. All right. So that's the magnetic clip. Extra battery. Whoa, dropped one. So it's got 2 batteries. And of course, this always comes, you always get one mount. Well, that looks like 2 mounts. Yeah. And camera is tight in there. Oh, this is the little handle holder onto thing. There. Little tube, and that folds out somehow to a mini tripod. There, I got it. Yeah. So there, or just a grip, and then their dividers are all cardboard. Oh, that's the the charging cable. And then the camera. And it's all wrapped up like a little cocoon. And of course, my left hand does not work that great for undoing things. So, there we have it. The GoPro Hero 10 Black. It's supposed to have a lot more features, which Road Reality covered all those features, and he tested them out, and he's the one that got me to buy it. So that's either a good thing or a bad thing, because I had to spend a bunch of money. A quick start guide with some stickers and the manual. So there you have it. I said I wouldn't, but I did. And you'll see how it works later. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't miss the next exciting adventure, where somewhere down the road you're going to see how well this works. Thanks again, and Merry Christmas.